What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Stank815, and I'm back with another video. If y'all new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, comment. Get notified when I drop these videos, so turn on all post notifications, man. We're definitely going up. I really appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, man. I do this for y'all. I do this for myself, man. I'm actually on a road trip to Rockford, Illinois. I'm taking my niece, my truck. Yeah, I'm selling my truck to my niece in Rockford, Illinois, so I drove it up there. Yeah, nice little road trip. We're coming through Arkansas. I think I got like 7 more hours and I'll be in Rockford. But yeah, no, this GMC, man, it done took me a long way, man. This is a good running truck. Yeah, we're coming through Arkansas early morning. Yep. You know, I have to go ahead and pull a little passy pass on this. This car's going a little bit too slow for me, so I gotta pull a passy pass. Y'all see it, man, though. We on a road trip, man, on our way to Rockford, man. I ain't gonna go too fast because I know here in Arkansas, I know the police be up here, so yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. When we get in Rockford, man, we're going to do a little vlogging. I heard there's some snow there, so we're going to see. I'm hopefully I can get one of my friends to let me use one of their snowmobiles. But we definitely going to see, man. All right, I'm going to tap back in with y'all in a little bit, man. I appreciate y'all. Well, you know I'm back damn near in Rockford when you see the snow outside. I brought the truck down the sell to my niece. Yeah, the truck is still a go-getter, y'all. This truck is still a runner. I brought it all the way from Texas. Yeah, you can tell I'm back at Rockford, man, or getting close to Rockford because of the snow. Love's gas station right there with the subby sub way in it. It got the subby sub way in it. Yeah, I definitely know I'm not in Texas no more. Man, I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching my videos, sharing my videos, subscribing, commenting back to my videos. I do apologize for not getting back to some of the people that comment on my videos. I've been a little bit, you know, I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. I haven't forgot about y'all. Trust and believe me. Truck still run good, man. Well, you know you back home when the snow. I'm from Illinois. I love Illinois. I moved out of Illinois to better myself. But, I mean, when I come back to Illinois, man, I like to see friends and family that really mess with me and want to see me. Yeah. But, yeah, I'm going to try to do another Bridge in the Gap documentary part 2 while I'm here. I'm going to see if I can get in tune with my friend Deli. And we do another Bridge in the Gap documentary part 2 tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, man, y'all see the snow. I was trying to find one of my friends to let me use their snowmobile while I'm down here, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Uh-oh, somebody broke down with their dirt bike on the back. Oh, we got dirt. We got dirt. Got to be careful riding next to these semis, man. My bro KG got his window knocked out by a semi-tire, man. But, yeah. Yep, y'all see the snow. But make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, share, comment button, man. I'm about to tune out, but I will come back. Y'all see the snow in the field. They say it's a lot of snow down there in Rockford, so we're gonna see. All righty. Well, y'all know, you probably can't see. I'm back in Rockford. Traffic is crazy, man. Traffic is way backed up on East State. I'm here, I'm back. Y'all see it, man. Yeah, I'm just chilling, chillaxing, you know, on East State, trying to let the car go, whatever. Yeah, man. I feel good to be back home, but man, you know, cautious. Cautious, the sun. You really can't see because the sun is like messing everything up. But y'all know I'm out here. 10K. 10K around my neck, you know? I'm outside, man. About to get in these streets. Coming up East State. It's Pizzak. Gotta keep an eye on everything. Gotta keep your head on a swivel, like when you driving them semis, man. The sun is blocking. No snow on the ground. Let me get up off here. I know y'all don't want to keep seeing the snow. This is my baby girl. Hey, baby girl.
Hi, baby girl.
Hey, how you doing?
Baby girl.
Yeah, you a baby girl. How you doing? How you doing?
Baby girl.
Yeah, you a baby girl. Go, baby girl. Go, baby girl. Yeah, you a big girl. You a pretty girl, too. Y'all see it. I pull up in Rockford, Illinois. I'm at my mama's house. I got my bird right here, baby girl. My mama got other birds, the dog. Hey, baby girl. Yeah, you a pretty girl. What? How you doing? Hey, baby girl. My mama got the pretty puppy. Y'all see the pretty puppies? Yeah. Hey, she black 'em. Y'all see the pretty puppy? She don't want nobody to see him. Hey, baby girl. Hey. What? Go, baby girl. Go, baby girl. Go, baby girl. Go, yeah, you're a pretty girl. Go, baby girl. Go, baby girl. Go, baby girl. Yeah, you're a pretty girl. You know that. Puppies. You all see my mama dog? The puppies. My mama. What's up? What's up, baby girl? Tell me, get kid. Come on, Jimmy. Look at her, y'all. Jimmy kisses. Hey, my little baby, y'all. My little baby, y'all. She like that. Oh. Yep, come on. Come out your cage. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you baby girl. Come on. Get out. Come on. Come up here. Yeah, you baby girl. Come on. Get up here. Go up. Go up your cage. All right, well, I'm going to lock the door. Good night. Okay. I thought you would change your mind. Yeah. My mama got little Finji birds. I don't know if they have babies. And I don't know what kind of birds she got in the second cage. But yeah, baby girl right here, she got the fish tank. Right here, let me see. You only got one fish in here, ma? Yep, but look. Y'all see my little baby right there? Right there. Let me see what she in here cooking. I got something in here cooking. Smelling good. Smelling good. Man, y'all already know, man. I had to come and show love to my mama. You know, when I hit Illinois, I'm out here, my bird, she right there. I'm down here to sell my truck to my niece. You know it. All right. Hey, baby girl, huh? Are you drinking your water? Let me see, my mama gave her some chicken, y'all. This bird live, huh? Huh, baby girl? Huh? Huh? Come on. Come on, baby girl. Huh? Come on. Let me see if she's going to eat this chicken, y'all. She, huh? She eat real food, y'all. Like, come on. What? Let me see. She. Let me see if she's going to eat it. I'm going to leave her alone. Let me see. She go to her spot. Look. Look, she eating that chicken. Her little bad butt. Oh, she dropped it. Oh, she going to get it, though. Oh, she dropped it. Hey, baby girl. Yep, you dropped it for later. I'm finna close your gate, though. I'm closing you in. It's almost time for your bedtime, baby girl. I don't know what time Ike be having you go to bed.
4 o'clock.
Huh?
When I come out that kitchen with a plate, she get the holler about
I can believe it. I got them all spoiled up. I just let them both out and use it. Yep. I let both of them out by themselves.
Yeah, she know when I eating and stuff, she get the holler. I have to break up pizza food. She ain't gonna stop eating until I take her that food.
Okay.